Hello guys, today I'm going to give a review on Red Gear Pro Series wireless gamepad. Okay, in the front of the package if you see, you can see the features of it. It has built-in battery and the main feature of it is it comes with two dongles. So even if you lose one, you have another one. In the back side if you see, you can see the pricing and the package contents. And again you can see the features of it. So now without wasting any more time, let's go and unbox the product. So after unboxing, on the top of the box itself you can see the gamepad itself. Right below the gamepad you can see the first USB dongle which is provided by the company. The USB dongle is quite compact and portable. It is much compact than most of the dongles which is provided by other company gamepads. So this is how the gamepad looks. It has friction pads which give you more grips when you're playing games. The bottom there is nothing, just a tag which says made in China. On the front if you see, you can see four buttons, two and two like four buttons in which two are triggers. This is the top part. And for switching on the joystick, you just have to press and hold the home button. And now it's not connected, that's why the LEDs, the four LEDs keep on blinking. Once you connected, there are two modes. You can select whichever mode. You can switch it to modes by just pressing the home button for 5 seconds. So now let's see what else we'll get in the package. So in the package you can see we get a charging cable or an USB cable which helps in charging the gamepad. We also get a secondary dongle which can be used if the primary or first dongle get damaged. This is the user manual which is given in the box. So that's it guys, hope you guys like the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.